Vikas, introduce yourself.
Sir, I am Vikas and I am very much similar to my name as I am a competitive person and I love challenges. I belong to Buxar district which is famous for the battle of Buxar and Chausa and it is also known as the name of Mini Kasi. I have done my 10th standard with 97% and throughout the 10th standard I always remain above 95% holder. And my hobbies are listening to music and reading motivational stuff. And recently I read The Secret, The Power of Positive Thinking, You Can Win, Who Moved My Cheese, and lots of books. And sir, I like to meet positive attitude and successful personalities, and I try to learn new things from them. Sir, my friends call me a versatile person because of my adjustable nature. And my strengths are that I am self-confidence, philanthropist, and optimistic person. And I like to solve problems. And I love challenges persons. And I do not like anybody remain sad in my company. And so I am a team sweet person.
Why do you want to join Gurukul Kurukshetra? What do you know about this school?
Yes. Sir, it is my aim to make my career in Indian Army. And so for that, I need an environment, those who will motivate me to join Indian Army and serve my motherland. And sir, I know that before I want to become an army officer, I cleared the NDA examination. And sir, for crack NDA examination, I need a really environment where I got proper training for that and culture and discipline. And sir, I think the best option for that is Gurukul Kurukshetra because I talk about his previous cadet result is so nice. Out of 37 students, 20 students are selected in NDA examination. So sir, I joined it.
Because may know your previous school. Why do you want to leave that previous school?
The school is enough good, and sir, I am satisfied with his education pattern. But sir, my aim is different. My aim is to become an army officer, and so for that I need an environment. Those who give me proper training for that and proper discipline, such type of. And sir, that's the reason I leave my previous school and I want to join the Gurukul Kurukshetra.
Please give me some information about your native village.
Sir, my village name is Dangoli and its district is Buxar. And in my village, the population of my village is about 1,000. And in my village, most of the people are farmers and lefts are some do in job in private sector in cities and some do job in paramilitary forces and army. And the most important things in my village is a river. A river name is Tavi, flow from along my village. This river is so helpful for my farmers, village farmer, to irrigation of his field, and that's the reason our villagers get more crops than comparison to my other village. And in my village, a dairy farm where most of the people of my village go to supply milk, and then after dairy farm the milk is distributed over all city located in my locality. And the nature of I talk about my nature of my villagers are so good. He is very kind and honest person, and these are very trustworthy person, and I like my village.
Mr. Vikas, this time is going coronavirus season. The whole world is badly affected. But there are some positive effect about the environment. What do you think about this?
Sir, according to my knowledge, I say, sir, coronavirus is a pandemic disease, and in present time, which is spread over all the world. And I say a brief word: the whole earth is infected with coronavirus, and a few peoples are left, those who are not infected. In I talk about America. In present time, above 8 lakh people are infected the same virus, and above 60,000 people are died with same disease. And some experts say that this virus is origin from bat, because the scientists claim that the 95% symptoms are matched to coronavirus in bat. And many experts say that these viruses are deliberately made in laboratory, and some say that this virus is made in wet market in China, Wuhan city. But this is not confirmed about it. And in present time, about 2,15,000 persons are dead with the same disease, and about 30 lakh persons are infected the same disease. And I say some positive effect are come and some negative effect come after in coronavirus situation. I talk about firstly positive effect of coronavirus in our earth, in our daily life. Firstly, the big effect come through the positive is that the whole nature is recycling. The whole nature is recycling, because I say in present time, let's example our river Ganga. According to WHO, the Ganga river is world of 10 most polluted river in whole over world counted. But in present time, we see the Ganga river, most clearly we see the river in Ganga river, in the bank of river of Ganga. And the government started many schemes for that, to clean water in Ganga, but he not really successful. But after coronavirus, this success come out. And the big effect and second positive effect I see is the global warming is decreasing day by day, because no car, no trucks, no vehicles are running on road, and no industries are running in present time. I think these are positive effect. And I talk about the negative effect is that in coronavirus our GDP growth is decreased day by day. Unemployment in our country and all over country is so at a high level. Many workers in private institution are unemployed because of coronavirus. They have no jobs.
Mr. Vikas, why do you think we should select you for Gurukul Kurukshetra School?
Sir, if you select me, you are giving me an opportunity to fulfill my dreams. And sir, I assure you that sir, I am a determined and dedicated person, especially towards my work and study. And I am a very hardworking student. And I use my full potential to do my work. And sir, I really need a chance to show my strength. So sir.
Vikas, last question. If you are not selected for this school, what do you do?
Firstly, I am confident that I am surely selected in this school, but unfortunately I do not get selected in this time. Firstly, sir, I know my weaknesses. and sir, then I will work upon it. And sir, I am confident that I am surely selected in my next interview. And sir, whatever I say, sir, I believe in try and try again, and you get success.
Thank you very much, Mr. Vikas. Best of luck for you. Thank you very much.